Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted Instagram account fast. So it will be just recovering as fast. So if your account was temporarily disabled, so you will be just tap on it forgot password simply, and it will be just asking for the email or the phone number or the username you have on Instagram. So you will be just type on it and simply just tap on it to send login link, and it will be just send the link through your inbox of the email, and you will be just check the spam folder. And when you just click on it, so you will be just it will be just asking some verification like a date of birth or some specific like a face recognize on the spot. You will be just analyze your face ID, so it will be just back to your account and it will be just recovering as fast. So in this way you will just recover your deleted Instagram account fast. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.